We are here today at Coleman College for Health Sciences, engaging in one of our activities, Passport to Health. It is a great day for our students as well as our community members. Today, we're turning our college into a mini hospital or many healthcare facilities where students as well as faculty, as well as healthcare, as well as community member, including healthcare, some from healthcare facility, engages some of these activities related to healthcare scenarios.
Right now, I have a great time interacting with my classmates. We really connect, learning about the program, really challenging that material, and really knowing what we need to do for the next semester. I think HCC overall, they have one of the best support systems for students. That's what I love the most. I feel supported as a student. Anytime I have any question or any problem, I can always reach out, and they answer my questions immediately, if not within seconds.
Compared to other schools, the instructors are very involved. I have seen our instructors here every day, and other schools haven't necessarily been that way. And we'd like to get our students in the first year into clinic. So you are learning as soon as possible, getting hands-on as soon as possible, so you know exactly if this is what you want to do.
What inspires me is student success. And what I believe is that relationships are important, and it helps one to encourage the students to hold one another accountable so that they can continue and complete their program. But also it helps them to really learn and build confidence. I am so thankful for the faculty and staff that we have here. We have really embraced the idea of student success and what does that look like to ensure that the students can work together and build that team camaraderie. So I am grateful for the team that I have that works here at Coleman College because they really embody that experience.